Hey guys, it's Gideon again, and today we're back in Photoshop. It was a brand new selection tool, which it's always fun getting new tools in Photoshop. So if I come over here, we are looking for the selection brush tool. Hotkey is L, and it might not show up exactly how mine's showing up, but anyways, here is the new selection brush tool. Yeah, so we're just kind of painting with this. I'm tapping bracket keys on my keyboard to make this bigger or smaller. So let's try to select this path. And all I'm going to do is hold down the mouse button. You'll see this is painting with magenta, and we can change that if you need to up in the toolbar up here. Where is it? Right here. We can change the color, sizes up there, opacity, all that. Let's tap the bracket key again and try to select this. So the very first thing you'll notice is there's no marching ants like we have had traditionally in Photoshop, but the selection is happening right now. And it's kind of odd for all of us who, have been around a while or have been using Photoshop for a while, because we don't see those marching ants going all the way around. One of the things we can do is we can now use this with our generative fill. So we can come over here, click generative fill. Let me try to put some water on this path. I'm just going to type in water and hit enter. Here we are. Try to do its best. Gave me 3 options. Not too bad. Not too bad. Okay. Now, something else I want us to realize. Let's go back here. Let's paint in something else like a tree. Now, we can use this with other selection tools. So we've made this selection, but I don't know, say you want to refine it, go to a different selection tool and see what happens. So now we have the traditional marching ants. We can come in here. If you wanted to do it this way, I can, get rid of some of that. Okay. That works. I can go back to the selection brush tool. I can come up here, do add and subtract, we can really refine this. And yeah, we just use this however you want. We can, let's say, we want to put a filter on it, a blur, Gaussian blur, and it automatically starts to happen in that painted area. And we can also still use Control D to deselect that as well. And another way to use the selection brush tool is for distractions. So we can quickly just paint over what we think is a distraction in our image. So let's do that. And maybe, how about this tree? Great. And then again, we're using generative fill. We're not typing anything in and hitting generate. And there we go. So that right there is looking really nice. Photoshop will go ahead and remove those distractions in your image. And with this new tool, it's just done very, very efficiently and very quickly for us. And to round this video out, let's use it again with generative fill. Let's make a selection right here. And let's tell it a bear. We want a bear in the woods. Not too bad here. So yeah, guys, that's just a quick video on this brand new selection brush tool in Photoshop. Thanks.